Hello friends, today we are going to create fashion promo slide in After Effects. So first of all, create new composition, name it as fashion promo. And hit OK. Let's import our image to the composition. Resize image with the composition. Now select the image, and using pen tool, create a mask. Now create new solid layer. And drag it below the image. Now select the image, and go to the effect. Perspective. And drop shadow. Now increase the distance and softness of the shadow. And give a suitable direction. Now it is looking fine. Now go to the mask. Drag it to the left. Set the keyframe to the mask path, and in the 2-second. Drag the mask again to the center. It makes our animation. Now select the keyframe. And ease them. And go to the graph editor, and change the graph. Now our animation looks great. Now create a text. The details of font and color is in the description. Now select the text, and press P for position. Set the keyframe, and animate this, as we done for the mask. Now select the text, and drag it below the image. Now create another text. And repeat the same procedure that we have done for first text. Now our promo slide is created. Subscribe for more video, and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.